Hey, it's Sage Creek Prepping with the Sage Creek Prepper. That's me, Frank. Welcome you back to another week. And this week I'm going to talk on first aid medical stuff. Uh, Next to your food and water, this is the next must have that you really need. And quite honestly, a lot of people will skimp on this or go small and as light as they can go and hope they get away with it. This is probably as important or more important than anything else you're going to take with you when you leave, because you don't know what's going to be out there in front of you. Now, I'm not just talking about for yourself, but what if you come up on a really bad car accident or a really bad poisoning incident? Or, I mean, the thoughts are endless on this, okay? So, with that in mind, I would suggest a very in depth first aid kit, medical kit. Now, these can be as big as my go bag or twice or three times the size of my go bag. Okay? Depends on what you think you may need to be prepared for. Me and my wife have probably erred a little too much on the we need to take a little bit of everything. So we've got a really big, or it's not gigantic, but it is a military parajumper medical bag. We breathing tubes, blood stop, sutures, everything that you can imagine, burn gels. But now this is a quite a heavy bag and it's quite large. Now I'm gonna bring it up and show it to you. And like I say, it is rather large. It's larger than a lot of backpacks. It is a full size pack and it is loaded to the brim. This thing weighs about 35 pounds right now. And sometimes it weighs a little more because I take stuff in and out of it some. So this is something to be in mind, because this is another weight you're going to have to carry in addition to your water, okay? Something to think about. But with this backpack right here, just about any medical emergency I've got covered. Like I say, just about any, but it won't cover all of them. So you need to think about what you're capable of doing. Some people have a huge phobia of blood. Some people have a huge phobia of gore. You may not be able to do a lot of things. Or it may not bother you at all and you can go right in there elbow deep. And God bless you when you can. I think push come to shove, I think we can all get in there elbow deep, don't you? So anyway, until next week, when I open this bag up and we look at a few things, this is the Sage Creek Prepper. I am the Sage Creek Prepper, Frank, and I look forward to and seeing you next week. Thank you, and God bless.